Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the workspace to North Ice, set orthographic view and 16:9 framing so placement is consistent. Once done, enable vertex lock and select the one mesh brush with 0.5 smoothing. This prevents drifting. You should create a sparse guide stroke along the ridge, snap to grid 0.3a because it defines seam flow. Make sure to keep symmetry off for natural erosion, and check the topology preview so the first pass lays down clean, evenly spaced quads. Now you refine the mesh by alternating coarse then fine passes to control density. Start broad and then add detail where needed. You should paint weight maps, about 60% on ridge lines and 20% on flatter zones, to guide later smoothing and preserve sharp edges. Once that is done, introduce low amplitude noise with 2 to 3 octaves to break uniformity. Make sure to pause, inspect silhouette, and correct any stretched quads before you commit to final bake, because it's harder to fix afterwards. To finish, bake normals and displacement at your target resolution and preview at 100% so you see real shading. Then optimize. Remove isolated vertices and collapse faces smaller than 0.5 mm to reduce noise. Once baked, reproject from your guide mesh if seams misalign, use reweighting on trouble spots and run a quick smoothing pass, low strength only, to blend transitions. If artifacts persist, compare rendered lighting versus scene lights, because incorrect smoothing groups often masquerade as geometry errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.